Camping at the Cotter. The boys' bikes. We all put the tent together. 3 of us. We've got our 3 chairs. And we've got the boys. Just chuck this in the tent. We're about to do our campfire.
Mummy will be angry.
No, Mummy's fine, mate. We're just doing a campfire at the camping ground at the Cotter. Okay, you've got to come here. Come here, boys.
Campfire.
What did I say, James? Do not start it until I tell you.
Yeah, I'll just put it in there.
Now, what we're going to do is we're going to come here and light a little fire under the paper. Okay, come forward, James. Samuel.
I'm gonna start.
Samuel, you do that paper. James, you do that paper.
Daddy, can I do one?
Yeah.
Okay.
You get one.
Let's get in the fire.
James is done. Well done, James.
Daddy,
Good boy,
Daddy.
good learning.
Oh, that's okay.
Yep, well everywhere we're learning.
Daddy, can you do it?
Okay, I'll do it for...
Daddy.
Okay, look, it's going. Here, okay, I'm going to stop and help now.